Imagine vast tropical farms where skilled hands pluck thousands of raw cashew apples daily on scales that dwarf any backyard tree's modest yield, igniting massive curiosity about the hidden journey behind one of the world's most prized nuts. This breathtaking industrial harvest launches an epic process of extraction and transformation. It turns toxic fruits into premium kernels, building intense excitement for how relentless effort delivers cashews to everyday tables everywhere. Witness the jaw-dropping reality of massive cashew operations where workers and machines unite to conquer toxic shells and reveal precious nuts far beyond small personal groves, sparking huge anticipation for the complete journey that ensures widespread daily availability and profound impact. On sprawling commercial cashew farms, heavy machinery prepares vast lands with precision contrasting the manual clearing done by families tending tiny backyard trees. Planting cashew saplings across huge plantations demands coordinated teams, unlike the careful single planting in home gardens with personal dedication. Growing cashew trees requires systematic irrigation and support on industrial scales, far exceeding the bucket watering of limited backyard plants. Fertilizing and pruning in large cashew orchards deploys expert crews and tools. Contrasting hands-on care applied to individual trees and small setups. Facing pest attacks, massive cashew operations activate advanced defenses, while backyard growers rely on vigilant manual checks for their few trees. Whether extremes challenge commercial cashew farms with protective measures contrasting direct exposure managed by personal backyard efforts, harvesting raw cashew apples engages vast teams picking clusters on huge farms. Unlike selective hand-picking from backyard trees yielding small amounts, collecting cashew apples in industrial quantities uses efficient baskets and conveyors contrasting personal bucket filling in medium and home operations. Separating cashew nuts from toxic apples demands careful skilled labor on large scales, unlike cautious manual separation in backyard batches. Extracting toxic shell oil from cashews employs specialized machines in factories. Contrasting slow traditional methods used in small personal processing, roasting cashew nuts in massive commercial ovens achieves uniform quality far beyond small-scale home roasting attempts. Shelling roasted cashews with powerful automated crackers contrasts delicate hand shelling done on tiny backyard yields. Peeling the thin inner skin from kernels uses advanced steam and air systems on industrial lines, unlike tedious manual peeling in home setups. Drying peeled cashew kernels in controlled large dryers preserves crunch contrasting natural sun drying on small backyard scales. Grading cashew kernels by size and quality employs precise sorting machines, contrasting visual inspection in personal medium operations. Strict quality inspection on commercial cashew lines rejects imperfections with technology far surpassing basic checks in backyard batches. Cleaning final cashew kernels removes every trace of dust in high-tech facilities, contrasting simple rinsing and small home processing. Sorting premium cashews by size and grade uses automated vision systems, contrasting manual sorting in limited backyard production. Packaging top-grade cashews into sealed, airtight containers on massive lines contrasts basic wrapping used for small personal yields. Storing bulk cashew nuts in climate-controlled warehouses safeguards quality on industrial scales, unlike compact home storage solutions. Transporting packaged cashews relies on large refrigerated fleets, contrasting occasional small vehicle hauls from backyard groves. Distributing cashews to global markets from huge facilities floods supply chains, contrasting limited local sharing from personal trees. Economic impact from cashew farming creates vast employment on commercial operations. Contrasting supplemental family income from backyard efforts, health benefits of nutrient-dense cashews arise from diligent cultivation across massive farms and tiny personal plots alike. Overall significance of cashew production unites industrial scale with backyard passion through shared hard work from planting to final market. Preparation of cashew plantation land reshapes landscapes efficiently on megafarms, contrasting hand-tilling in backyard personal plots. Planting cashew trees in commercial volumes coordinates precision, unlike single sapling placement in home gardens with care. Intensive growing support in huge cashew setups contrasts backyard growing attention for limited trees. Detailed care routines on industrial cashew orchards contrast backyard care simplicity with personal touch. Major challenges like diseases are managed systematically on large cashew farms, contrasting reactive personal methods in small settings. Peak harvest of cashew apples mobilizes coordinated teams, dwarfing gradual backyard collection efforts. Efficient nut separation systems on commercial scales advance hard work beyond backyard manual separation. Advanced roasting and shelling on cashew processing lines contrast small-scale traditional techniques. Controlled peeling and drying in expansive facilities secure quality, linking to grading and inspection stages. Comprehensive storage and final distribution from cashew operations contrast limited small-scale equivalents. The entire cashew journey from toxic apple harvest to sealed premium kernels showcases dramatic contrasts in scale, yet unified producer effort. Land leveling for cashew mega plantations uses heavy equipment, contrasting manual soil work in backyard groves. Systematic sapling placement on vast cashew farms accelerates growth, unlike sporadic home planting sessions. Ongoing monitoring of cashew trees in industrial orchards contrasts periodic backyard checks by owners. Specialized nutrient applications sustain massive cashew groves, contrasting organic care in personal setups. Resilient pest management scales up on large cashew operations, contrasting vigilant backyard handling. Harvesting waves sweep through commercial cashew farms, contrasting selective picks from home trees. Collection and initial processing of cashew apples flow continuously in factories, unlike small batch backyard work. Toxic oil extraction transforms raw nuts safely on industrial lines, contrasting cautious traditional methods. Uniform roasting ensures consistent flavor in huge cashew batches far beyond home attempts. High-speed shelling cracks nuts efficiently, contrasting slow hand cracking in small yields. Precision peeling removes skins cleanly in automated systems, unlike labor-intensive backyard peeling. Advanced drying chambers lock in quality for millions of kernels, contrasting sun drying on small scales. Automated grading sorts cashews flawlessly, contrasting manual-sized checks in personal operations. Rigorous quality control rejects flaws on commercial lines, surpassing basic backyard inspections. Final cleaning polishes cashews to perfection in facilities, contrasting simple home rinsing. Size-based sorting organizes premium kernels for packaging, unlike casual grouping in small batches. Sealed packaging preserves freshness on massive production lines, contrasting basic wrapping at home. Bulk storage in vast warehouses protects abundance, contrasting limited home storage capacity. Global transportation networks deliver cashews efficiently, contrasting occasional local hauls from backyards. Widespread market distribution ensures constant cashew availability, contrasting limited backyard sharing. Economic vitality from cashew operations empowers large and medium farms, contrasting backyard income boosts. Nutritional advantages of cashews connect diligent production across scales to everyday household benefits. The profound significance of cashew farming shines through contrasts in every stage, from harvest to distribution.